Comparing these energy resources. Now, each energy source has various advantages and disadvantages associated with it. A renewable energy source is one that is replenished at a faster rate than the rate at which it is being used. As a result of this, renewable energy sources cannot run out. They are infinite resources. So, a reliable energy source is the one that can produce energy at any time. Now, non-reliable resources can only produce energy some of the time, जैसे कि windy. When it's windy, ठीक है क्या होगा? Wind energy होगी. When it's not windy, क्या होगा? Wind energy won't provide you with energy. Let's say if sun is one day and the next day it's not sunny, it's all cloudy for a week, solar energy might not be able to help you. So the table below shows a comparison of the advantages and the disadvantages of different energy resources. Fossil fuel is fossil renewable? No. Nuclear? No. So these are both your non-renewable resources. First of all, you should know that these are both non-renewable energy sources. Advantages of fossil fuels are they are reliable, can produce large amounts of energy at a fairly short notice, but the disadvantage is that it produces significant greenhouse gases and pollution. Nuclear energy is also reliable but produces no greenhouse gases or pollution, which is a good thing. And a large amount of energy is produced from a small amount of fuel. But the disadvantage is that nuclear energy produces dangerous radioactive waste that can take thousands of years to decay. Moving on to renewable energy sources such as biofuels. Now, biofuels have many advantages that the carbon dioxide produced while burning the fuel is balanced by the carbon dioxide absorbed as well, producing it. But the problem is that it can take up a lot of land and also consume resources that are needed for food production as well. Wind energy produces no greenhouse gases, no pollution, which is a very, very good thing for the environment, and the land can still be used for farming. But again, it is not reliable. Why? Because every day is not a windy day, and turbines can also be noisy and ugly, and not everywhere it is suitable. Hydroelectric, yes, is also renewable energy sources. It is reliable and can produce large amount of energy at a short notice. And also it is very good to the environment because it produces no pollution of greenhouse gases. But again, it can involve flooding large areas as well and destroying important wildlife habitats. Tidal wave, again a renewable energy source. The tides are very predictable and a large amount of energy can be produced at regular intervals. Very few suitable locations can cause environmental harm to estuaries and disrupt the shipping as well. Geothermal, yes, it's reliable and geothermal stations are usually small, but again, release of harmful gases can take place from underground and not all of the places are suitable. Solar energy, again a renewable source of energy, produces no greenhouse gases or pollution, good for producing energy in remote places. But again, it's not reliable. Every day is not a sunny day, only works when sunny, and solar farms can also use up a lot of farmland. ये solar panels का size भी वैसे ही काफी बड़ा होता है. And this is the end of your chapter number 4 of IGCSE and Excel Physics.